What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your backup on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So you want to go to settings and scroll all the way down to where you find account and backup. Tap on that. Now to restore your phone you simply need to tap on the restore data here, and as you can see I have a backup here. Now in order for you to have backup available to restore, you need to make sure that you back up your phone. So under the Samsung cloud you have backup data. If you tap on that, you will see you have a bunch of different things that you can back up, and all you have to do is just simple toggle whatever one you want to toggle on, or if you want to toggle each and every one of them to back them up, you can simply go ahead and do so. Now once you toggle them on, what's going to happen is that it will back up after 24 hours without you doing anything else. However, if you want to back up something immediately, all you have to do is just simple toggle it on and simple hit backup now at the bottom. And that's all that you have to do, guys, if you want to back up it immediately, right? If you want more information on how the backup works, you can simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side, click more information, and here you can find all information about what you can back up. Right now, once you do a backup and you have a backup on your phone, then once you go to restore data, you will be able to find that backup. As you can see I have there, and if you have it turned on and every 24 hours it will back up, you will see backup here with the latest date of the previous 24 hours. Right now all you have to do is just simple tap on that backup there and you will see what has been backed up. And you can simply, even if you don't want to restore everything, you can uncheck the ones that you don't want to restore, or just simply leave each and every one of them on. You can see that, for example, on the call logs, on the call logs, 2500 items, messages 512, and so forth and so forth. Now all you have to do is just simply hit the restore at the bottom there, and this will restore those backup on your phone if you so desire. Right, so this is how you can easily go ahead and restore backup on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Very easy and very simple.